One of the biggest questions we have from our clients is how often and why do we regularly service exterior bait stations? So frequency depends on level of activity, but generally exterior bait stations need to be serviced at least every other month. Bait stations are not trap stations. They don't hold the rats inside the station. The idea is we place the bait stations in attractive positions where rats usually will venture around the property so that they go into the station, find the bait, consume the bait, and then perish. So bait stations are best serviced at least every other month. Now in heavy activity areas, monthly is required, keeping the bait fresh, free of debris, snails, spiders, and other things that can clog up and make a bait station less attractive to a rodent is key to having them work effectively. Also, exterior bait stations help us monitor and maintain rodent control around the property. For example, around utility areas, around trash areas, pool filter areas are also a big one to make sure rodents aren't getting in your pool heater and damaging it. Effective bait station service is really done by keeping them maintained and cleaned. Rodents are very similar to humans. We don't want our living space to be clogged up with clutter, such as leaves, branches, or other things. Also, nobody wants their bait stations full of spiders. That's not very attractive to a rodent. Bait stations are maintained to be attractive to rodents, keep them inside the station to feed and feel comfortable, and put the stations in spots where rodents are going to be traveling. That's key effective bait station service.